Ka-shing, one of the most remarkable business magnates of our time, embodies the classic rags to riches tale. His journey from humble beginnings to becoming one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet is a testament to his relentless determination, shrewd business acumen, and unwavering commitment to success. Ka-shing was born on June 13, 1928, in Ka-shing, a small coastal town in Guangdong Province, China. He was the eldest of 6 children born to Li Yunjing and Sio Qin, who ran a small grocery store. Growing up, Li's family faced financial hardships, which forced him to begin working at a young age to help support the household. His early experiences in the family store instilled in him the value of hard work and the importance of financial prudence. During his early years, China was engulfed in political and social turmoil. The Second Sino-Japanese War, 1837 to 1945, and the Chinese Civil War, 1945 to 1949, left the country in a state of chaos. In 1940, when Li was only 12 years old, his family fled to Hong Kong to escape the turmoil on the mainland. They arrived in Hong Kong with little more than the clothes on their backs and a few meager possessions. This move marked the beginning of Li's journey from rags to riches. In Hong Kong, the Li family continued to face economic hardships. Li's father died when he was just 15 years old, leaving him as the primary breadwinner for the family. To support his mother and siblings, Li took on a variety of odd jobs, including working in a plastics factory and as an apprentice in a watch strap company. These early experiences taught him valuable lessons in work ethic and resilience. Li's entrepreneurial spirit began to shine during this time. He started his own company, Tycoon Industries, in 1950. Initially, the company manufactured plastic flowers, a simple yet profitable venture. Li's business acumen was evident as he expanded into real estate and other industries, setting the stage for his future success. Tycoon Industries, which later became Hong Kong Holdings, was the cornerstone of Li's wealth accumulation. Through strategic investments in Hong Kong's real estate market, Li capitalized on the city's rapid urbanization and economic growth. He acquired prime properties and developed residential and commercial projects that played a pivotal role in shaping Hong Kong's skyline. Li's ability to foresee market trends and make timely investments earned him the nickname Superman among the local business community. His remarkable success in real estate and other sectors allowed him to expand his business empire globally. Ka-shing's empire expanded far beyond real estate. He ventured into telecommunications, retail, infrastructure, and energy, among other industries. In 1979, he founded Hutchison Whampoa Limited, a conglomerate with interests in ports, telecommunications, and retail, among other sectors. This move was instrumental in establishing Li as a global business tycoon. One of his most significant international investments was the acquisition of British telecom company Vodafone's stake in Hutchison Whampoa's subsidiary, Hutchison SR, in India. This move marked Li's foray into the global telecommunications market. Li's journey to riches was not without challenges. He faced economic downturns, financial crises, and political uncertainties throughout his career. Notably, during the Asian financial crisis in 1997, his business empire was severely affected. However, Li demonstrated his resilience by restructuring his companies and emerging stronger than ever. Despite his immense wealth, Ka-shing is known for his philanthropic efforts. He has donated billions of dollars to various charitable causes, including education and healthcare. His commitment to giving back to society has earned him respect and admiration worldwide. In 2018, Li retired from his business empire, passing the reins to his elder son, Victor Li Zarkoi. His retirement marked the end of an era in Hong Kong's business landscape, but his legacy lives on. Ka-shing's journey from rags to riches is a story of resilience, determination, and vision. From his humble beginnings in a small Chinese town to becoming one of the world's wealthiest individuals, his life serves as an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and business leaders worldwide. Li's legacy not only encompasses his vast business empire, but also his commitment to philanthropy, leaving a lasting impact on the world. His story reminds us that with hard work, perseverance, and a keen sense of opportunity, even the most challenging circumstances can be overcome on the path to success.
試過香港電台有一次呢，選嗰個風雲人物，咁嗰陣時你哋訪問我講過一句説話。
李生啊，我想請問你今日嘅成功與運氣嘅關係有幾多呢？
我咁講，我不能否認呢個時勢做英雄呢點。第一，我根本就唔係英雄。我嗰陣時咧，我講得謙嘅一個。今日我再坦白啲，再可以講多啲。最初嗰一段嘅事業，幾乎100%係靠冇命運可言嘅，靠你嘅工作，嗰個辛苦，你嘅工作能力而掙到錢，投入好緊要。你要對你嘅事業係有興趣。今日你對你嘅事業有興趣咧，你一定個工作會做得好。如果一個細公司嘅家庭嘅生意，你要自己喐手喐腳落去做，但係到你間公司大咗咧，要令到啲員工有歸屬感，令到佢安心，呢個好緊要。所有啲幹部啊，同我嘅關係非常好，好開心啊！佢知道就係最簡單嘅知人善讓，但你原則上咧，一定要令到佢有一個歸屬感，佢喜歡你先。咁我係朝早咧揸咗車咧鎖匙嘅時候咧，就跌咗一個區2蚊，2蚊咧，佢啱啱咧停喺大個碌到佢大個嘅車轆個下低，咁個車只要碌一碌咧，就有條坑佢咧，個2蚊實冇嘅。咁我咧就踎落去咧，就試下嚟執啦，冇謂嘥。咁一個印度人嘅空間，佢見到我，佢話：李生你做咩？我話跌咗個區，佢幫我手執咗2蚊出嚟咧。我就2蚊自己攞起，我就揞100蚊俾佢。咁呢個故事嘅原因就點咧？我2蚊咧，如果我唔理佢，一等車碌一碌就落個坑，佢呢2蚊就喺個世上冇咗噶啦。但係唔再呢2蚊攞翻嚟，嗰100蚊我俾佢唔會冇咗噶嘛，佢一樣可以用得。總之錢咧可以使，但係唔可以浪費。呢個高級嘅同事。佢哋都知道，我最緊要係要有效率。佢開會之前，對方咧係明白晒轉行成點，而我亦都明白佢做緊嘅係咩事。咁大家變做咧，開會之前做咗 homework， 唔浪費時間。有啲人咧，佢只係識同你講困難，咁佢係想希望你幫手幫佢諗佢困難點解決。